Alright guys, here is my review on these. Let's see, they are HKS replica exhaust. I know it's made by Godspeed. I picked off a vendor off eBay for I think about $260 shipped. Not a bad deal. It's by Speed Daddy, but it all comes from the same distributor. So no matter who you buy it from, it's all the same shit. Shipping on this thing was a little bit sloppy. It was fast, but a little bit sloppy. As you can see, it's really touching the bumper. I have to get those rolled up, but for the price you pay, it's really not that bad. The tips, they're whatever. I mean, you got that little, I don't know if you can see it that well. It's got that burnt tip, but it's touching pretty damn good. It's probably going to start melting pretty soon, but I'll get them rolled in a couple of days. They're pretty sturdy. I mean, they're not like the HKS actual brand, but I mean, $260, I'm not really complaining. If you want the official real thing, you gotta, cough out about a good $1,200. I'm trying to ball on a budget. So, pretty good pipes. I don't know if you can see them right there. Full catback exhaust. Let me crank this thing up so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Stock sounds like shit and it's boring. Let me turn this thing on. Let's see what that'll do, I guess. Turn this bad boy on. All in all, not so bad. I dig them. They're pretty cool. For, like I said, the price I paid for them, they're not the greatest, but they shall suffice. If you guys want to pick these up, I would recommend doing so if you want to save some money and just look badass. Alright, thank you.